Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, class 12, and the book which I am going to use is a Vistas textbook, chapter number 3, Journey to the End of the Earth. So today I am going to give you a summary of this chapter, summary of journey to end of the earth. Journey to end of the earth summary will help you learn all about this traveler in details. This traveler is about the author's experience when he goes on a journey to Antarctica. The author is Tishani Joshi. The journey to Antarctica commences on the Russian vehicle. Jeff Green was leading it. Moreover, Jeff Green is the one who takes interest in taking students on educational trip. Through this helps them discover the end of the earth. Thus, over here, the author went to Antarctica for educational purpose. He as well as learns more about the place. This study tour turns out to be very insightful as students learn about the impact of global warming. Moreover, they also learn how a little step can impact the environment greatly. In addition, they also learn about the ice sheets of West Antarctica and if they will melt or not. The story begins with the author of a journey in Russian vessel. It was headed towards Antarctica. We learn that the author has traveled about 100 hours in a car, aeroplane, as well as the ship. The main objective of this trip is to learn everything in details about Antarctica. Further, we learn about here 2 week stay there and what all is present there. The place stores 90% of the Earth's total ice volumes with no trees, buildings, or anything. It has 24 hours austral summer light. Moreover, it is covered in silence. This makes the author wonder about the time when India and Antarctica were the same landmass part. We learn about the existence of a southern supercontinent, Gondwana. It existed for 650 million years ago. We learn that the climate back then was much warmer and also sustained a huge variety of flora and fauna. All this was before the arrival of human beings. Moreover, for 500 million years, Gondwana flourished. Thus, after the extinction of dinosaurs, the landmass separated into countries as we know today. Moreover, we also learn about the reality of climate change. Similarly, the author believes that to study the impact closely, one must make a visit to Antarctica. After that, we learn about Antarctica ecosystem and how it lacks biodiversity. Moreover, it is the place to observe if you wish to see what consequences a little action can bring about in the environment. If the ozone layer keeps depleting at the present rate, it will impact the lives of the inhabitant of the area, like the sea animal and birds. Moreover, it will also impact the global carbon cycle. We learn about the contribution to climate change, like the burning of fossil fuels and more. All this is damaging the quality of Antarctica, and this may cause immense damage to human life. Moreover, we also learn about it through example of phytoplankton. Finally, the story ends with the author observing some seals sunbathing on ice. It makes her wonder whether this beauty will be reserved for the years to come, or will the future be catastrophic. So, conclusion of Journey to the End is, to sum up Journey to the End of the Earth summary, we learn in details about climate change and how it is impacting our life and of the other living beings dangerously. It serves as a wake up call to start working to make the planet a healthier place. So, this was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you so much.